Yeah, nation people. So me I watch Pelpa time, Zin, and I watch Sting launch. And here we go on. First and foremost, big up Pelpa time. Watch this now. Me see Isaiah Laing, I say Sting, I go be World War III. So, he must say he have male clash, and he have females clash. And him in a dialogue with a couple international artists. And him say, no man can run up on the stage when I supposed to war. But him guarantee the Sting crowd, it's a World War III. World War III, Gaza Nation. That means Laing already have the clash bookings already then. Alright, Laing, you see them Sting girl where you display, tell them say 10 star will arrive in. And me I gonna need some of the jokings. Watch. Here what me I say right now. When you talk about World War III, it can't be a lollipop thing, Gaza Nation. Because here we go on. Remember World War I, it was Rudolph Wilson. Remember World War II now, at the great Franklin Roosevelt in the Great Depression. Just try remember, and he must say World War III, that mean a who? Massacre, Idona, a who? Skeng, Jashi. Yo, without me MGI, everything interlock. Them arms are make winter hot. Shot go them up, them think attack. Boy walk and stagger like is a rum drinker that. Like astronaut me make marrow outer space. Boss it, solar slip out of place. Make boy I drop out of face. Fire shot like me employ them with a mount of chase. We no missing at the eye, we shoot the bull. Head split like melon. Juicy full. Me bust it from round the lane, then leak out a pound of brain. It's beautiful. I no kung fu, them no get kick in a eye, shot pace in him face like when chicken a fry. Run where the fish him a try. Shot tear off him foot clean like chicken a aisle. Sniper rifle jungle is no bus while full slide in a blood like peanut aisle. Fi gun them down. 10 star style, marrow left from Mars, head pan Venus side, who want violate our links. When black rhino no soft like them ya drinks. When we AR 10 rings, adversary mind open, make me see them thought and what them a think. Make us what? Your nation people, it look like Sting a go festive. No gimmicks business no dead about it. Here what Isaiah Laing a say. Right now, him not go use the older artists them. Him say not go use the legendary artists them. Him a go make them, the legendary artists them forward and cheer on the younger sensation them. Yo. The man almost, I tell Pelpa time, say him guarantee, say, them a go shell with sentence. Him say sentence no good when Sting bust up the whole of down there. I saw him a say, no gimmicks business no dead about it. Him tell Pelpa time say him agree, him guarantee them have the ability and the lineup of what it takes to shell with the whole of sentence. Other than where L. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, you know. Only I repeat where him tell Pelpa time. So that mean him have to have a great show line up fair talk like that, nation people. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, but me I say, when you say World War III, no gimmicks business. I coulda me know I no kill and the scare them crew. So More know if a Idona or Massacre. More know if a Jashi and Skeng. Yo, Sting now go good, my brother. Him say 2 females are go clash. How? How? Well, I would respect, you know. Respect my lion. Every time. Yeah, manners. Yeah, man. He must say, 2 female I go clash. Right now, me not really know who. So me not even go even say nothing because it look like him a all but necessary equipment for when time them drop the big posters, the loud explosion can take on the whole universe. It look like I saw him a deal with it. Now the mixed thing not dead about it, but you see a bag of young artists line up on the thing. You know a young artist now go want no fear. And him a make the people them know say them have to remember say Sting is the platform where burst young artists and send them to a different place. So I no lie, him a tell nation people. So if the young artists them go up and Sting and dominate, well then you know say the start of the year will be great for them. No gimmick thing not dead about it, no lollipop thing not dead about it. I saw Sting always carry on. Sting have the powers there. No lollipop thing not in it. Sting is a platform for young artists come and display them skill. Yes, when I say that them can top up in the game a notch further. No lollipop thing not in it. Right now, nation people, me no know. Me see this boy when he bag of things TV. You know the government of Jamaica tell the gunman them say, yo, you no bring you no gun. You can get a lawyer and bring you no gun. So, you have this 20-year-old youth who say, him buy him gun for $140,000. And him now give it up because that protect him and protect film community where him living. Then you have the boy bag of things Stevie talk about them boy there. You know the artists them will sing the gunman song them with them boy there follow. Bet you no couldn't tell me which song the boy draw for nation people. Bet you no couldn't tell me. We no need no permission. We no need no boy for tell me when fi bust me gun, why fi bust me gun, how fi bust me gun, because of my money buy them. Yo, bag of things TV. Let me tell you this, behalf of the world boss and the whole of Gaza nation. We not like you. You hear me I say to you, youth? We not like you. Because you live in a my view style. The only thing difference between you and my view right now are the name. You live in a the man style. You want some clout for your channel and you want views for the AdSense money. Right? So the easiest person you can point your finger upon, I'm a General Vibes Cartel. But hear me now, fast easy, because you must think me easy. Yo, them not tell you about me. Say me not say be high grade, me smoke and me not bun beady. Let me tell you something. When them sang there, I wheel up the place. It was the last 14 or 15 years ago. Them time that I look about the way I talk about. It was just 4 or 5 bumbleclots year old. He was just 5 or 6 year old. Where the bomber ass clot, you pine finger upon the blood clot world. But you ever hear them song they play upon the radio fast easy? Eh? Mr. Hits and Twits and Pussy Lipstick. Bag of things Stevie. Me ask you, you hear them song they play upon the radio? When last you hear nothing like that I play upon the radio in a corner? Eh? Do you hear none of them song they play upon the radio, my brother? Them nowadays youth, them no know them song there. I'm gonna have to play that film here. And them youth they up into where them like. So nobody come on the internet and I try to look no hype and I run your mouth and feel like say, well then you thought nothing was sweet nobody. We know what you are doing, my brother. AdSense money you run down. I make me tell you no something. Uno and a star. I don't challenge at the star because you don't have to hide on your face because you chat a lot of shit. You don't even chat so you can't even show on your face on the internet. Nobody no know no. And Gaza nation no like you no. So me no know where you chat about your star. You walk a street and people a beg autograph and a beg picture. Nobody not know who no, my brother. You see what I say? So nobody feel like say no joke shit this. Watch this cause Laing say Sting a World War III. I can't wait. It look like say, well then Sting I go attack. Wicked with them young artists here. Bomber clot. Junglist we not take this, we gun them load up. With empty gun we not pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon them. Junglist we not take this, we gun them load up. With empty gun we not pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire. What? General, 10 star. Oh.